Alright guys, if your Samsung TV screen won't turn on, there's a few ways to fix it. The first way is very simple, just find a Samsung logo. This may be on the middle or the left part of your TV. Go and feel underneath that there's a circular button. Just go and press it. Hey, if this turns on, there's an issue with your remote. Your remote just made you new batteries. Now, if that did not work, the next thing is to unplug the power on your TV. Unplug from the wall. Just unplug for 1 minute, then plug back in. Then just press the power button on your TV. Now one more thing. If that did not work, the next thing you're going to try doing is unplugging your TV. The power cable. Once it's unplugged, just hold the power button underneath the Samsung logo. Keep on holding this for 1 minute. When it's been a minute, plug back in. Then press the power on your TV. It should hopefully turn back on. For me, it's back on. Now hopefully one of these work, but if not, try redoing steps 2 and 3. Thanks for watching guys, and good luck.